Y'all just thought about, I need to do my nails. It's the weekend, baby. So look at them. They look so crazy. I just popped this one off while I was cleaning up. But I got some new nail products I wanted to show y'all. Well, this is a new package of nail glue from McCart. And this is all stuff from Amazon. This is not necessarily new to me. It's definitely true to me. This is the little bottle here, nail glue. So gotta have that because, you know, I only use like press-ons now. So that's that. For my toesies, I will be using this white nail polish for the toes, y'all. This is from Open Live. If you remember, I did get this in red a little while back, and I love that nail polish. Oh my God, I love it so much, and it stayed on. I had to definitely work to get it off, and it's a quick dry nail polish. That's what's great. It dries fast and it stays strong for the duration. Love this. And since I'm taking off my nails, I thought about, I had ordered some nail glue remover from McCart. This is my first time using this, your nail lab in a box. Okay. Got to see what she's giving. Okay. It comes packaged like so, and you have to put the little dropper on it. Okay. Okay. I hear you. I hear you, McCart. Y'all trying to take over something around these parts. And it doesn't have a strong smell to it. That's interesting. I look forward to using this on the rest of my nails to get them off. Okay. And it comes with the little picks here, which is kind of what I use anyway. But at least I'll be using something that'll help with getting them off. I have bunches of these, so I'm not going to even open that portion of it up. And then so many people have been talking about these BT Art Box X-Coat Press On nails, these long-lasting manicure nails. Oh my gosh, they're beautiful. Is that kind of like a cat eye or something? What's the name of these? I don't even know. It doesn't say. 0160. I'll have them linked below, but this is one of the options I have. And this is the other option, the AIUSA, I guess that's how you pronounce it, soft gel. And I'm really leaning towards these. So more than likely, as you can see, they are a stiletto kind of French tip like that. You get 15 sizes in here, and that is actually AILLSA. Okay, cute. So these are a soft gel, acrylic or something like that. I'm going to check these out. This is probably what I'll be wearing today, but that is it for the little haul, y'all. I love my items, and I look forward to checking it all out. Cool bees. All right, y'all, let me work on these nails.
I'm walking in my soft life, easy and slow, letting the river blessings flow. No heavy love, no fighting to stay. If it costs me my peace, I'm walking away. I'm wrapped in calm, covered in light, light, living gently, sleep, living good at night. Yeah, I'm walking in my soft light, and everything feels right. Oh, I dress my soul in comfort and truth, protect my joy like it's something to prove. I sip my mornings, I pray my days, I speak life over every phase. I don't beg for seats, I build my own table, only pouring love where it's stable. If it don't